If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind, never mind, never mind.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this kind of light, quick, glowy summer look. So I use very minimal products. You can do this look in about 5 to 10 minutes, super easy, and I absolutely love it for the days that you're at the lake or at the beach and you want a light look because you're not going to go into the water right away, or you might not go into the water at all and you just kind of want something smooth across your face. Or even if you are going out to lunch and you're like me, I live in Florida, it is extremely hot right now, so you don't want to put a lot of makeup on, but you want a little something so you looked refreshed and glowy and just ready for the summertime. So this is the look that I came up for that. Like I said, quick and easy, and you guys will see that very little products created this look. So as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just go ahead and hit that button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also, don't forget to hit the little post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to start off this look by using the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. So I love this stuff because it really does hydrate your skin. It smells amazing with a coconut smell. I think it is perfect for the summertime. And also, if you want a little pick-me-up on these hot summer days, if you just put this in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes, let it get nice and cool, and then spray it on your face, it feels amazing. Or even if you just want to, when you go to the beach or the lake and you have a cooler, just stick it down in the ice and let it get nice and cool. And you want to just spray yourself because you feel like your skin's getting dehydrated from all the salt water or any kind of water hitting you. Take this everywhere with you. I love this stuff so much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this and spray it a little bit on my face. Alright, so the next thing that I always recommend doing, and it is putting sunscreen on your face. It doesn't matter if it's a sunscreen or a tinted moisturizer with some SPF in it or a lotion with SPF. Anything that has sunscreen in it will work. You just really want to protect your skin from that harsh sun, especially if you're going to be outside for a while. So I'm going to be using the Ocean Potion Protect and Nourish Vitamin D3, and this is my SPF 30. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and put just a tiny amount. This is beyond an important step, especially if you are like me. I live in Florida, so the sun is always so hot, and you really want to protect your skin, because I feel like a lot of the time people don't realize how strong the sun really is and how quickly it affects your skin. Alright, so we're not going for a heavy look, but I always want to have at least something underneath my eyes just to cover up my dark circles, because I feel like that is one thing that always comes back to haunt me when it comes to my makeup look. So I definitely just really want to cover those and brighten up underneath that under eye. So I'm going to be taking my favorite concealer, and mine is the Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to take light in the inner corner and light sand everywhere else. So this just will really help brighten everything up. And I'm bringing mine down a little bit on my cheeks just because I do have red cheeks, so I kind of want that minimized just a little bit. And then I'm going to put just a tiny bit down my nose, and that is it. So next I'm going to take my beauty sponge and just blend this all into my skin. I try to grab my concealers that would highlight but also closest to my skin tone, because you don't want it to look too funky and make it look like you're wearing a lot. You definitely want to cover those dark circles up and look nice and bright for the summertime. And I usually, with a little left over on my sponge, I will go across my eyelid just because I have pretty definite veins in my eyes, and they're really noticeable. So I just like to smooth my eyelid out. So next I just want to set that with the brightening powder. So I'm going to go in to my Avon D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to go in with the banana shade right here and set that concealer with it using my Morphe M438. Alright, next I'm just going to do my brows, because I personally like to do my brows when doing this look, just because my brows are kind of a different shape and they're very sparse, so I definitely want to make them look as even as possible. So I'm going to take my L'Oreal Brow and Fill Stylist, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows really quick. So moving on to eyes, I want to line my upper waterline just to kind of give us some definition in our eyes and make our eyelashes look fuller and longer. So I'm going to be taking the Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eye Pencil in black. And I love this stuff because it is waterproof for up to 16 hours. So it's going to help if you're around water or if you're sweating. It's just going to really stay in place. So I'm going to take this and go ahead and line my eyes. Alright, next I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to be taking my two favorite mascaras that are paired together. And the first one is the Essence Volume Stylist 18 Hour Lash Extension Mascara, of course, and then the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I think these two are amazing paired together because this one makes them super, super long and this one makes them full. Alright, to finish off our eyes, I'm going to take the NYX Wonder Pencil, and this is in the shade Light, and I'm going to put this on my lower waterline just to really help open our eyes up and make them look nice and bright. I've been doing this for years, and it has been one of my favorite tricks, especially the days where I feel super tired and I want my eyes to look nice and awake and brighten. I feel like this truly, truly helps. So I want my skin to have that nice summer glow, so I'm going to go into the Morphe and Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette, and I'm going to go in with these first two shades right here, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones with that. So I'm just going to lightly mix the two. I love this combination, and I'm just going to go right on my cheekbone. And then I'm just going to do a little bit above my lip. And then just a little bit underneath my brow bone. Alright, and then to finish off the look with lips, I'm going to be taking the JLo Collection Exclusive by L'Oreal. And this one is in the shade 370 Jennifer's Nude. And I think this is just a beautiful kind of glossy, everyday neutral pink for your lips. And I think that is perfect for this look. And I love that this has a little sheen to it. And then to top it off, I'm going to be taking the NYX Butter Gloss in Maple Blondie. Alright you guys, so that is it for this quick and easy light summer makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!